Hi guys, it's me, Allie, and today we're gonna make two versions of Oreo cheesecake. One is in a cup and one will be in a cookie pan. In this recipe, you only need 3 ingredients. That is it. The ingredients you'll be needing is an egg and 2 cream cheeses, and Oreos, obviously. My grandma got the small ones, which is actually kind of better, but you could use the big ones if you want in your recipe. And lastly, you're going to need some sugar. So I'm going to show you the things you will need to make the dessert, not the ingredients. You will need a spatula, 2/3 cups, but I can only find 1/3 cup, so we're going to do the math and just pour 2 of these to make it 2/3. And an ice cream scoop, cupcake liners for the cups, some parchment paper for the normal pan, and some pans. A normal cupcake pan, also gonna need a regular sheet pan. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prep up, and my brother is gonna help. So we're just gonna put the cupcake liners in the pan. So can you help? Don't put it all the way down, because when we put in the mixture, it's gonna go down by itself. So let's do it. It's gonna be pretty quick. Here, I'll give you a batch of it. Make sure your cream cheese is room temperature, so when you mix it, it's not that hard. It will be easier to mix. Put this on the right side and lift it. It might be hard. Oh, I got it. First, we're gonna add the room temperature cream cheese. Let's put it in. Warning, this might get messy. Make sure to wash your hands. First batch. Now the second. The next step is we're gonna do 2/3 of sugar. Like I said, I have to do 2 cups, but if you have 2/3, you could only do 1 scooping. 2 cups. 2. Okay, let's just pretend this didn't happen. But now the next ingredient is we're gonna crack 1 egg. Oh, make sure no shell is in it. Now we're gonna put it down. So good. Gosh, I can't wait how it's gonna taste. So next step, after it's mixed up, we're gonna crush some Oreos. I got the tiny one, so I'm gonna put like 10 in. You could use any bag to smash it in. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it's time to smash them. It looks so good. You have to lift this up again. Look in the bag. Pour the Oreos in. Ooh. I'm gonna use our spatula to mix it in just a tiny bit. It's looking good already. I want to eat it. So I'm gonna put it in and stir it till it's all in. It should look like this, and this is what the consistency we want. Now you're gonna move the stuff down. Now we are done making the whole thing. We're gonna put some Oreos inside the cupcake liners. While one pans, put at least 3, but if you have normal ones, you just put 1. We're gonna take the batter with an ice cream scoop and put it in the cupcake liners. Just gonna press it down and shake it so it gets down. I forgot to mention you have to preheat your oven for 325 degrees for 22 minutes. So we're actually going to crush some more Oreos to put it on top of the cups. Bye-bye. While that is cooking in the oven, we're going to make the cookies. It's the same ingredients, same steps, except it's on a flat pan. Brother's gonna smash it because we promised him we're gonna do the cookies with him. So we put this on low so we could pour it in while it's mixing. You like it? Just grab like a ton in your hand. Ooh, yum. So now Clark is putting on the parchment paper. The cookies could not stick and it will be really nice. There we go. We're about finished. And 1 more minute till the cups are done. And I'm really excited to taste it. 2, 1.
Let's see first.
Done. Whoa, they look like cupcakes. Since this is done, we made an extra batch. Since we have a little extra batter left. We're gonna take a toothpick, and if it's dry, then that means it's done. All right, it's dry, it's done. The other 2 batches of the cookies. Wait for some minutes. Okay, so these just came out of the oven, and it's still hot. Hey, Clark! And it's also really soft still, but my grandma already ate one. We're just gonna let it cool down for more, and we'll see you guys later in a minute for the taste test. So we're gonna try the cookies first. Good. We're gonna take a bite of these now. It's a little soft, but it looks good still. I want to taste the cream cheese. Hope you liked seeing the only 3 ingredients recipe that I made. I might make cinnamon rolls or macarons. So like, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss a single upload. Bye. See you next time.
Bye. Sweetheart Clark.